Just a real quick tip on using the indoor trainer. If you guys notice when you're sitting on the bike or visually that it might feel like you're leaning or visually looks like it's leaning a little bit, if you look at the back end of the foot of the trainer, you'll see these different numbers around and actually different thickness. And what these different positions allow you to do is it just allows you to compensate for that lean. So if it's leaning too much to the right, you turn the right side to the thicker side. You would turn the left side to the thinner side. And then conversely, if you know whatever side that lean is on, you can just rotate the foot to the thicker side and then rotate the opposite side to the thinner side to compensate for that kind of lean.